Hello and welcome to Curriculum Night virtually. This is about your students' lab class. That would be third period or sixth period for your students. So a little bit about myself. My name is Kelly Conway or Miss Conway. I am a Mercer Island native, as you can see from my Gator Time card. I am a proud dog mom of my lab, Daphne. If I look a bit familiar, it is because I have worked at Northwood and Island Park in the years past. This is my first year teaching at IMS, and I look forward to helping your students reach their goals. So what is lab? Let me tell you about what we do first, or our schedule, and then we'll dive into more what we work on. So our schedule starts like this. We start with our social emotional daily check-in, and then we move on to our planners. So this is where they go on Schoology and make sure that they put everything that's on Schoology into their planner. We've been using Agenda. It is an app on their iPads. If you haven't seen it yet, I would ask them about it. Next, we go into a whole group lesson. So this can vary depending on the day and also what our goals are so that we try to make sure we hit every single one. And then they do some reteaching or review of previously taught skills. If there is extra time, I do allow them to work on homework, but that's not always as frequent as I think they would hope. What sort of things do we work on? Well, our whole group lessons are largely influenced by IEP goals, but that's not the only thing that influences them. We use research-based resources to help teach and reteach social emotional skills. We will be using a program called Teach Town, and we also will be collaborating with Mercer Island Youth and Family Services counselor and utilizing different mediums to promote group and social skills work. We identify and manage emotions. We work on problem solving, conflict resolution, and joining a group. So those are a few things we touch on through the year. IEP meetings, if you're new to having a student with an IEP, just so you know, IEP meetings are set through your child's case manager. If you have any questions about when your student's IEP meeting is due or who your case manager is, please contact me. I can point you in the right direction. Input and collaboration with you and your student is greatly valued. You guys know your student better than anybody, and we would really much appreciate any input you have and working with you to make sure that your student is successful. Furthermore, your student's IEP meeting is about them, so they are and should attend if at all possible. So tips for a successful school year. Check Schoology daily. Skyward is not as frequently updated. This is a good way to check and make sure that your student is completing all work. Definitely put an emphasis on classwork. That means work that is given during class. This year especially, we will be working as a whole school to really make sure that the classwork is weighted more than homework. So it's very important that your student is doing their classwork. And if your student finds themselves overwhelmed, ask for help. We're here to help, and we can be flexible. So please do not be shy. Reach out if we are being overwhelmed or stressed out. That's not a fun place to be. So we're here and happy to help you work through that. So please contact me with any questions. My name again is Kelly Conway. I'm teaching your student lab. My email is down below. I look forward to this year with you guys. Have a great rest of your virtual curriculum night.